Best heat gun for removing paint. Number 5 on our list is Black Plus Decker Heat Gun. Specifications: brand, Black Plus Decker. Color, black/orange. Style, barrel. Item weight, 1.63 pounds. Item dimensions, 9.38 by 3 by 9.63 inches. Voltage, 120 volts. Ratings, 4.8 out of 5. Number 4 on our list is Genesis GHG 1500A. Specifications: manufacturer, Rich Power Industries Incorporated. Item weight, 2 pounds. Product dimensions, 8.75 by 8.5 by 2.75 inches. Item model number, GHG 1500A. Color, gray/green. Voltage, 120 volts. Ratings, 4.6 out of 5. Number 3 on our list is Porter Cable Heat Gun. Specifications: manufacturer, Porter Cable. Item weight, 1 pound. Product dimensions, 11.5 by 4.13 by 10.63 inches. Color, black. Style, heat gun only. Voltage, 120 volts. Ratings: 4.7 out of 5. Number 2 on our list is Wagner 050363. Specifications: manufacturer, Wagner Spray Tech. Item weight, 2.75 pounds. Product dimensions, 4.74 by 11.53 by 9.31 inches. Color, multicolor. Style, Forno 500. Power source, corded electric. Ratings, 4.7 out of 5. Number 1 on our list is Seek-One Heat Gun. Specifications: manufacturer, Seek-One. Item weight, 1.98 pounds. Product dimensions, 9.76 by 7.22 by 1.5 inches. Color, yellow. Material, ABS. Wattage, 1800 watts. Ratings, 4.7 out of 5.